Nowadays, we all are getting heavily exposed to ultraviolet rays from sunlight, which makes our skin darken or tan. The more we get tan, the more we unattractive we look. After getting suntan is not easy to bring our skin back to normal state, but the patience and care it can be done. Instead of spending money on expensive cosmetic products, try some natural and effective home remedies, which are available in our kitchen. They lighten suntan, giving you fresh, attractive and glowing skin. The most popular and effective home remedy for removal of tan is lemon juice. Citric acid present in lemon juice helps to remove dead skin cells, tan and pimple scars. Take a lemon and rub the lemon on the ground to get more juice out of it. Cut lemon into slices and squeeze juice from it. Take a cotton ball and dip in lemon juice and apply the juice all over the hand or tanned area. You massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it for 10 minutes. When it dry, wash it with cold water. This is one of the best effective anti-tan pack which brings glowing skin. The second method of home remedy for tan skin is tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes are the most common ingredients in our kitchen. If you are seen to lemon, then tomatoes are easiest and safest method to remove tan. Take a tomato, cut it into slices and rub it directly to your tan area for 5 minutes. Leave it for 10 minutes. As it dry up, wash it with cold water. Another effective home remedy for tan skin is gram flour turmeric paste. This is one of the effective old home remedy to remove tan, which works like a magic. For making this, add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and finally add 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix them it, get it thick paste. Apply this mixture on the tanned area and leave for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash it with cold water. To get the best results from these home remedies, we must follow few tips. Before applying any face pack, wash your face with soap to remove dirt from the face. One should always prepare a fresh pack to get desired results. After removing face pack, wash with cold water. After dry, apply a little moisturizer to prevent dry skin. After applying tan packs, one should not get exposure to sunlight immediately. So preferably applied tan packs in the evening. Apply sunscreen to the body before going outdoor. Sunscreen protects us from UV rays. Thanks for watching my video. If this helpful, please hit like button and share this video. Thanks again.